Good morning, River Lily here. We are on the Virginia Beach boardwalk. I just wanted to show you. Look at that sky. That is absolutely beautiful. Take it all in. And it's so quiet here. Okay guys, that's it for now. So it's me again. We've seen this from the street and I wanted to show you because this is so cool. I really want to go in there, but it's only like 9:30 and it doesn't open until 11. Look at how cool. And over here we got Jimi Hendrix and Jerry Garcia. Some really nice artwork. Look at it. I'm so happy. Go see what's on the other side. I'm definitely gonna have to come back here. It's called Half Moon Music. Look at that sky. Jaydrone's around here somewhere. Oh, look at the little hippie cars. I love stuff like this. Kind of a dork. So neat. Jaydrone's over there. More dead bears. Yeah, definitely gotta come back and check out the inside. So we just climbed Mount Trashmore and now I'm dying.
Jaydrone here. We are testing out the Nike bum fights up the stairs.
There he goes in his bedroom slippers. So this is Mount Trashmore. Supposedly the whole entire mountain is full of garbage. And then they turned it into a tourist spot. So if you dig under all that dirt and grass, you'll probably find trash. Here he comes. It's a good thing he didn't face plant. He had a better time getting up it than he did down it, huh? How's those shoes?
Get you a pair of Nike bum fights at Foot Locker.
It's the moon. It's moving. It's not moving. It's not the moon moving. It's really the clouds. I knew that though. We're Lily here. We are listening to the Jets. Did you hear it? So the Jets won't stop. So I'm saying goodnight, YouTube. If you enjoyed watching my vlog today, hit like and subscribe and the thumbs up. Thank you.